Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left control panel support on your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Lift off both grates. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Open the upper oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws securing the manifold panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the panel. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the manifold. Use the Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the front screws securing the cooktop. Next, unthread the 4 screws securing the upper rear access panel. Disconnect the wire connector from the control board to fully release the panel. Disconnect the ribbon connector from the board. Unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the board from the control panel. Now unthread the screws securing the user interface panel. Pull the panel down to detach. Move the cooktop out of the way. Then use a short or offset Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the lower screws securing the control panel. Now unthread the upper screws, and you can fully remove the panel. Unthread all 6 screws securing the control panel support. Use curved needle nose pliers to detach the wire retainer, and you can fully remove the old support. Install the new control panel support by positioning it on the frame and bracket. Then thread and tighten the 6 screws. Snap the wire retainer into the hole in the support. Realign the control panel on the supports. Then thread the upper and lower screws to secure. Align the user interface panel and secure it with the screws. Position the control board and thread the mounting screws. Connect the ribbon connector to the board. Reinstall the rear access panel by first connecting the wire connector to the board. Align the panel and secure it with the screws. Fully reposition the cooktop. Thread and tighten the two front screws. Insert the gas supply tube into the manifold and thread the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Realign the manifold panel on the support brackets. Thread and tighten the upper and lower screws to secure. Replace the control knobs on the valve stems. Reposition the grates. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.